Hey, welcome to this introduction and brief demonstration of my first LibreOffice Calc extension. That is the Stock Pickers extension. You come to extensions.libreoffice.org, and if you don't see this right here, go up here and type stock, not stocks, just the word stock. And then you should see it, okay? Then we come over here. Of course, most important thing, scroll to the bottom, give me a nice review, okay? Click download latest. Open up LibreOffice Calc. Go to Tools, Extensions, Add. Go to where you download the extension, click on this. Accept the terms of service, the very liberal terms of service I might add, disable, add, close, restart. So type stock and hit enter. The first is the stock symbol. Then it says start date, end date. Now you can either put a second date, or you can do something like this. Okay, you can simply type your day. And there you go. Do a quick plot here. Plot, line. And here you have your plot of the closing price for Consolidated Edison since January 1st of 2026. And of course, as always, do me a big favor, go in there, click click the star button for me. Give this extension 5 stars so we can push it to the top of the list. And of course, as always, hey, share this video, share this extension with your friends who use LibreOffice Calc. Okay.